How do I buy my textbooks?
Do you have your book list for your class?
Yes, I have my list.
Fine. Once you have it, you can go to the bookstore. Do you know where that is?
Yes, I know where the bookstore is.
Okay, so once you pass the gym, it's the first door on your left. Do you know you can also sell your used textbooks there?
No, I didn't know I could do that.
You just take them with you and trade them with the used textbook man just outside the door. Do you think you will be doing that today?
Yes, I am going today.
Well, if you decide to go, I could meet you over there at 1 today or tomorrow to help you. Would that work for you?
Yes, thank you. That would be great.
Well, then, I'll talk to you later. Have a good day. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe my channel and encourage me.